Have picnic, baby.
I'll be the cake.
This is the icing.
You already the cake.
No boobs. Nothing to show. Hey!
We're under the Harbour Bridge now.
Gosh, it's sobrang hot. I came from work. I'm about to go to first ever boat trip with my colleagues. I usually never come, but here I am. Look. I'm so ready for the field trip today. I signed my waiver form. We're here in King Street Wharf. It's a nice weather actually. Recently it has been raining. Good, how are you? Hi.
Hi.
Now, fuck them bastards.
Daddy, what's inside? Oh, is it chocolate?
How's the birthday boy?
Oh, hello, thank you.
Now kiss.
Sure.
Audition?
Indian Filipino ex.
Yeah.
Stop. How you going?
Good.
Watch your step.
Event of an emergency, life jackets are underneath these white seats and underneath the stairs. Just be careful going up and down the stairs today, guys. Use the railings, watch the lip at the top of the stairs, make sure you don't trip over it. I've seen a few of you guys before, so I know a few of you have been on the boat. Bathrooms are at the back there. We'll put your music on soon. Smoking out the back and upstairs towards the back. Hey, no, this bit I can't get in trouble. And that.
Just pause it for